Did you know there's a way to bet on death? Your death. Wait, don't go. I'm not talking about some sort of deer hunter style shenanigans or investing in morgues either. Although privatized morgues. No. Hi everyone, I'm the icy hand of death. I'm Derek Haryu, and this is Weird Money. So, everyone dies. That's right, kids, you're dying right now. So the business of death seems like a can't-miss deal. There's cremation, funeral homes, tombstones, investing in those weird giant wreath things. And this could be a gold mine, a dark, depressing gold mine. But that is not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about insurance policies. Sexy, right? Look, I'm not saying get an insurance policy so your children or your spouse can be taken care of. God, no, can you imagine? No, this is a way for you to profit from your own death, before you die. After you buy a life insurance policy, you can cash in on your own life insurance by selling the rights to the death benefit to an outside party. It's win-win, like selling a hobo's organs. To sell your life insurance policy, you first need to find a life settlement company or broker. The company or person evaluates your policy and decides what they think your inevitable march towards annihilation is worth. The buyer gives you a cash payout, continues to pay the premiums, and receives the death benefit when you die. It's called a life settlement. A quick Google search and you can find tons of companies that are more than happy to traffic in the business of gamifying your mortality. Fun, huh? Should you do this? Well, that depends on your situation. Is it more important to you to have money now for yourself and your family, or to leave everyone else something after you're cold and dead? In fact, you don't have to choose between the two. There's no reason you can't take out multiple insurance policies. People do that all the time. Maybe you leave one for your family and you sell the other to an interested buyer. You get the money now so you can improve your lifestyle and enjoy your remaining years, travel or develop a crippling cocaine addiction. I'm not in charge of you. That's the beauty of free will. There are just so many options. Meanwhile, the buyer is the actual gambler here. If you die before your estimated life expectancy, the buyer is likely to receive a higher return. But if you live longer, the return will be lower. So take that, weird stranger with a vested interest in my death. Just be careful who you sell to. I mean, if you sell your life insurance policy to, say, a mobster or an ex-spouse, you've basically incentivized your own murder. And the Grim Reaper doesn't need anyone helping him out. Recap time! Death comes for us all. That's fun. But it doesn't mean you shouldn't enjoy your time here. And just like you ultimately have control of your time on Earth, you have control over the death benefit of your life insurance policy. A life settlement lets you take advantage of your insurance payout while you're still alive. Research a few companies online, see who's getting the best reviews and paying out the best benefits. Then take that money and make the most of your life. You win, the investor wins, and eventually death wins. There's just no getting around that one. That wraps up this episode of Weird Money. I hope you enjoyed it, and please remember to download your free ebook, Managing Your Money. Also, please remember to subscribe and write a comment below. Tell me a weird money story or some other completely fabricated lie, because I can't verify any of it. See you next time.